Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to make this effect looking like a wine glass falling out of a computer screen like you see on the screen right now. I just have a clip of this computer. I did make it a green screen. This way I can use the tracker, even though it's a still, I'm going to use the tracker node, the planar tracker, to make the screen look more recessed rather than extruded from the computer. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. Can't use my hands and arms. With the media in selected, shift space, and planar tracker. I know you're wondering why I'm using a tracker instead of just a corner pin, but you'll see here in a minute. It's not super noticeable on this one, but a lot of screens it is. Select the planar tracker. Just draw a rough polyline around the screen like that. My playhead is not at the beginning or the end, so I'm going to have to hit set, then go, and I can track both ways. And then select the media in again, shift space, and delta keyer. Let's go back to the planar tracker. Go to operation mode, corner pin. And line all these four corners up. And if you select this corner pin, down here at the bottom, you can adjust them a little more fine-tuned than by hand. Select the delta keyer, grab the picker, bring them down. Now we have our picture we're going to put on the screen. That's got to be piped in to the green input. Let's add a little bit of blur to it so it don't look too realistic, kind of fake. I'm going to readjust my corner pin. Grab a merge. I want to pipe this one into the green input. It's very important which one you connect it to, so we can go background over foreground. And pipe that into the background. Go back to the tracker. Change the merge mode to background over foreground. You probably can't see it in there, but what that does is it makes the screen look recessed in the computer. We're taking this image, put it in the background, this image into the foreground, and then by taking the planar and switching it to background over foreground. And select the merge, add another one. Picture this wine glass I got off Pixabay. Actually, both these I got off Pixabay. I made it transparent, did a transform. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.